What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning and welcome back to yet another update on Luna Classic. Big day today because it's the day before. Tomorrow in the morning, I think like 6 a.m. UTC, that's at least what I heard. News about Luna Classic the last couple of weeks has been quite confusing at sometimes because there are a lot of news outlets saying different things, but I believe it's tomorrow morning, at least for the UTC times, and it's going to be evening for the most of the US, I think, like late in the evening of the 20th. So yeah, that's what we're having tomorrow. Today it's the day ahead of that. We're up 7.2%. Luna Classic yesterday, let's zoom in a little bit. Luna Classic yesterday was pretty bullish, especially compared to other cryptos, which all dropped down quite significantly. You can see that Luna Classic had a minor drop and then quite a big run. We found resistance again though at 32,000, but more about that a little bit later, because as you know, in these videos I always cover the price, but I also talk a little bit about the news. So I wanted to start with that, and I also wanted to say that some of you might miss me, might miss my face cam. Usually I do have my face in the bottom left of the screen. Right here, but it's not here today because I'm recording from work. I still wanted to make some videos, so that's why I'm recording right here and at this time. But I couldn't put my face there because the lights here are not great. But yeah, so let's get on to Luna Classic. Volume has gone up, which is great because a big volume ahead of the burn tax is going to allow us to burn more Luna Classic. In my opinion, I think the burn tax, it's 100%, the market expects it, right? So I think we're going to get some sort of a bullish move after the burn tax implementation. I don't think we're going to have that big of a move. I think the biggest move of the burn tax will come after we see some numbers. So I saw yesterday that we burned through like 100 million of Luna Classic. And you have to know, right now we have 6 trillion Luna Classic, right? So 100 million is not going to do a lot, and we're going to have to see how the burn tax works and how many Luna Classic is actually getting burned. If a lot is being burned every day, which I do expect, I mean it's probably, I mean, even 100 million, it's not that much of the supply, but it sounds like a lot, right? Because and that means that it probably sounds bullish either way, like not even depending on how much we will burn. And I just thought of that. So I actually do think we're going to see a rally in the days after the burn tax. Leading up to that though is, so let's dive into the price. So I do expect some sort of a run after the burn tax. I'm not sure if it's going to get us up to these levels. That really depends on how big the burnt Luna Classic pool gets. All right, that really depends on, if we burn a lot of Luna Classic, we're definitely going up there again. But if it's just like, it will always sound like a lot, right? So I think we're at least getting up to that 36,000 level, and then from there I'll do another update. I'll do another update tomorrow either way, so don't worry about that. For now though, what you can see very clearly is that we're still in this kind of market structure, right? We're pretty bullish right here. Luna Classic is pretty bullish in itself. But the 200 EMA and those levels around 32,000 have been too strong for us the last couple of days. So what I expect for now is, you can clearly see that we got a very bearish touch off of that. It looks like we're dropping down to at least a 27,500 level. And from there I do expect us to hold at least. And as I said, leading up to or when the burn tax just got implemented and kind of the days after that, right now I am expecting a bullish breakout out of 32,000, getting up to 36,000, and we can easily get higher, but I will have to update it because it really depends on how the implementation worked and how much Luna Classic is being burned. So stay updated for that. For now though, that's my analysis and take on Luna Classic today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments, but for now I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today, and bye.